There are certain cases of products of polynomials which have been classified because of the special forms of the factors. These products can be obtained easily by applying the special product formulas. The special product formulas is a technique used to facilitate the way of obtaining the product of polynomials in definite forms. The formulas are so-called special because we need not proceed to the distributive property in obtaining the product. Product of two binomials. To multiply these two binomials together, let's use the FOIL method, or first term, outer term, inner term, and last term. The product of the first term is 4x times 2x, or 8x squared, plus the product of the outer term, which is 4x times negative 1, or negative 4x, plus the product of the inner term, which is 8 times 2x, or 16x, plus apply to the last term 8 times negative 1, which is negative 8. Now that the negative 4x plus 16x simplifies 12x, so we have 8x squared plus 12x minus 8 is the final answer. Square of binomials. To get the square of binomials, we will also need to use the FOIL method. The first term, outer term, inner term, and the last term. First example is x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 4. First, multiply the first term. X times x is equals to x squared. Then, proceed to the outer term, x multiplied by 4. So we get 4x. Plus the inner term, x multiplied by 4. We also get 4x. And now, the last term. 4 times 4 is 16. So we got x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16. Now, let's combine the like terms. The final answer is x squared plus 8x plus 16.
Cube of binomials. The first thing we need to do is to know what is binomials. Binomials means a polynomials that has two terms, while cubing means taking something to the third power. Here's the example of cube of binomials. X minus 4 cube. X minus 4 cube means x minus 4 times x minus 4 times x minus 4. It's taking something and timesing it by itself 3 times. Now, if you remember when you take x minus 4 times x minus 4, you have that FOIL method, which is first term, outer term, inner term, and last term. That's what you have to do. X minus 4 times x minus 4 times x minus 4. Now, when you have 3 numbers that you multiplying together, you can multiply in any order you want. You're gonna pick 2 binomials. The first thing we're gonna do is focus on x minus 4 times x minus 4. So, we're gonna do the FOIL method. First thing, x times x, and it becomes x squared. And then x times negative 4 equals to negative 4x. Then, we're gonna multiply negative 4 to x, and it becomes negative 4x. And negative 4 to negative 4 is equal to positive 16. Now, we simplify that we get x squared minus 8x plus 16. That's the answer for the 2 binomials. Then, we still have to bring down this another x minus 4. Now, we need to distribute it to get the answer. So, the way we do that is we're going to take each term in this trinomial and multiplying each term in this binomial. So, we have to take x squared times x is equal to x cubed. And x squared times negative 4 is equal to negative 4x squared. Then, the next thing we do is to go to the negative 8x. Then, negative 8x multiplied to x to become negative 8x squared. And negative 8x times 2 negative 4 is equal to 32x. The last thing we do is to get 16 multiplied to x to become 16x. And 16 times negative 4, which is negative 64. Now, we have 6 terms. All we're gonna do is combine like terms. So, bring down the x cubed, then add the negative 4x squared to negative 8x squared. And the answer is negative 12x squared, then another like term, the positive 32x plus 16x, which is positive 48x. Then lastly, bring down the 64, and that's the answer. X cubed minus 12x squared plus 48x minus 64.
Square of trinomial. Here is the example of a square of trinomial. X squared minus 2x minus 3 squared. The first thing we need to do is multiply x squared minus 2x minus 3 to itself.
So, x squared minus 2x minus 3 multiplied to x squared minus 2x minus 3. Then, distribute the 3 terms in the first trinomial to all 3 terms in the second trinomial. So, x squared times x squared is equal to x to the 4th. Then x squared times negative 2x is equal to negative 2x cubed. Another, x squared times negative 3 is equal to negative 3x squared. Then the next thing we do is to multiply negative 2x to x squared, which is negative 2x cubed. Then, negative 2x times negative 2x is equal to positive 4x squared. Then, negative 2x times negative 3 equals to positive 6x. After that, let's go to negative 3 multiplied to x squared to become negative 3x squared. Then, negative 3 times negative 2x equals to positive 6x. And lastly, negative 3 times negative 3 is equal to positive 9. Now, you have to make sure you keep track of all the terms, so we have 9 terms altogether. Then the last thing we do is to combine like terms. So, negative 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is equal to negative 4x cubed. Then, negative 3x squared plus 4x squared minus 3x squared is equal to negative 2x squared. Then, 6x plus 6x is equal to 12x. Then last, copy the positive 9. And that's the final answer.